Yo guys, what up? So I'm out here with MC Pro, just updated it like right now. And I've already noticed one thing, there's these global presets. I can save global presets. So I quickly saved one that's just basically my anamorphic setup. And then I saved another one which is just my non-anamorphic, which a 235:1 crop on it. So global presets, super excited about that. That's really cool. One other thing I just noticed too, that you can also now do HDMI output. So I need a couple of cables to get that to work on my phone. So tomorrow I'm gonna hopefully go out and grab a couple of cables to see if I can get that to work. But that's another feature I'm really excited about. So I'm just gonna keep grabbing some more shots here. Again, I got the moment anamorphic lens on here. You do need the moment case if you guys actually I think there's some updates now. You might not need just the moment case to do this anymore. But I am using the moment anamorphic lens with MC Pro, and I have all my settings down below. And yeah, just testing out the update, and stay tuned. I'll have some more updates. Email crew down below, hit that email list up if you guys are interested to get some behind the scenes stuff that I'm going to be doing that won't be posted to YouTube. Keep filming. Mobile filmmakers. Peace.